This control system is originally from Taiwan. The brand is LNC. It's an economic model designed professionally for the linear tooth changer machine. Okay, now we introduce the function for you. When you opening, press the button for the PC control. Now we direct into the controller. Okay. Here there is 3 models for the machine running. Automatic MDI is for shortly edit with program. This is the hand wheel. The hand wheel for the machine running. Okay, now you can check. There is XYZ button also for control the axis move. This is the jog model. This is the increase model. And here you can setting the increment for each time the machine move. This is the hand wheel guide model. When you're running the program, you are not sure with the result. You can let the hand wheel guide. This is the single execute. This is the reset function. Okay, the green color button is start for walking. This is for pause, program pause. Okay, now we should just use the other. This is the program mechanical coordinate. This is the mechanical coordinate. This is the remain for the machine need to move. This is the maximum pieces. This is single. This is the memory for the history working. Okay, now introduce here. Here is the G0. This is the G1 setting. This is for spindle rotary rotate speed. Okay, next. 下一个. Here you can check there is many button here. Now we planning to load a program. Yeah. F3 means open a history program that worked before. So you can check when you press the F3, there is 8 file that you are working before. Yeah, you can press the button up and down to select. This is already saved in the memory of the RNC controller. Okay. And also you can choose from the USB. Yeah, if you press USB, there will be your new. Okay, now we can wait. Now we plus USB. Okay. Yeah, this is the input. When we put you put there, we use USB here. Now you can check many file programs you memoried here. Okay, when you select one of the program. Okay. Now we select this one, and also we press transmission. This means transmission. This means loaded to the RNC controller. Okay. Yeah, it means transmission finished. Now you can check the program saved from the USB to memory of the RNC here. This is the name. Okay. Next. Yeah, this is the demo. This is the demo for the working. Before the originally working, you can check the program if it is correct or what you want. Just now we press the F8. This name means when the machine suddenly stop, we can restart from the last time. Stop the point from here.
这输入行号确定就可以了。
This is the line code. This is for the line code for the program. For example, if we want to find the 1000, if last time we break at 1000 line with program, now we can input with 1000, and the machine will select the code directly. Okay. This here you can edit the program. If you find the program there is a little you want to change, you can edit here directly. No need to go back to the computer and change it, come back again. So it's very easier for worker to modify.
这个它可以修改任何一个程序。
Here also is F1 means open the history program you want that you want to edit.
这是存档。
This means save.
这个可以对。
This is management for the history program.
可以删除。
You can delete, rename, copy, select all, cancel select, USB load, output to USB. This means from the network, but it's useless now.
还有这个非常偏执。
This is the coordinate system. You can check here. We have G40, 54, 55, and 56, and more. 有没有 G5、G5、G7？
G57应该是有吧，这个我没看到那个页面。
应该
看到应该是3个。
往下吧。
然后这个是道具管理。
This is a management for the tools.
这是对刀的时候那个刀长补长。
This is the number of the tools. This is the length of the tools. So when you edit the program, you can choose with J code, G5749是吧？H43 yeah, to call the length of tools.
然后这个是这个校的输入，就说你可以去增量。这是校的输入，就是说直接把它的坐标校到的这里边。
This function means that select the local, the coordinate directly to G54 coordinate.
这是全部。
This is means all. This is only X, only Y, only Z. Okay.
这个是自动对刀。
This is automatic tools calibrator.
它是自动对刀界面，在填上刀号，需要对刀的刀号。
You usually input the tools number here. You know, our machine now have 10 sets, 10 pieces tools. Okay, after input the number of the tools, and you should press the button F1 to start to calibrator.
这个是那个绿度设定，绿度那个绿坐标，就是绿共建坐标设定。
This is the setting for the z-axis for height of the working pieces. For example, if the MDF panel is like 20, you can input 20 millimeter here.
这个这上用着。
那个排到刀库设定的，我打开看一下。This is the setting for the tooth calibrator. Sorry, this is the setting for the tooth position, linear tooth style. You can check this is the mechanical coordinate. You can check each mechanical coordinate for each tooth here. So if when you want to modify, you can come back here and modify the coordinate for better work.
它操作的话是，如果就是说变了，然后把刀放在刀夹里边，然后这里做了输入，就直接上输进来。
Yeah. Also, this machine has automatic input. For example, if you find the position, the mechanical position is good, you can press the button for direct input. The mechanical coordinate will be directly input here. No need to press the keyboard. Just press the button is quickly input. Okay, finish. Enjoy your work.